Today we're going to be creating some tessellations inspired by the work of MC Escher. So MC Escher is known for his graphical artwork, and you can see how his tessellation pieces meld into each other. The image is repeated and fits into itself. So you can see the birds, how they perfectly fit with each other, just like a jigsaw puzzle. We're going to be creating tessellations inspired by MC Escher today. You see all these different examples of tessellations made by MC Escher. So let's get started. So a tessellation is an image that repeats over and over. On this sheet of paper, we have some different tessellation shapes. Feel free to trace, print them out, however you need, but you're going to need one of these shapes on your paper. These are the easiest and they get harder towards the bottom. Which tessellation piece will you pick? I'm going to go ahead and pick mine now. So I went ahead and I made two stencils, an easy one and an in-between one. And I'm going to show you how to put them together. You'll take your first one, you'll lay it out. You can just lay it out in the middle, you can lay it out on the side, however it speaks to you to lay it out, and you can trace it across your paper. You'll want to use pencil. I'm just using marker so you can see it better on film. Pencil does not show up all the greatest. I prefer to start in the middle. So once I have my first piece made, I need to make it fit just like a jigsaw puzzle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it. You can see how that makes it fit. Just like that. And you're going to want these designs to go right off of the side of the paper. Just like that, I have my first row, and I need to finish them everywhere else. So now my background is full of the tessellation, the repeating shape. I'm going to do that one more time so I can line it up wherever I want on my paper. I think I want this one going at a diagonal. Just going to trace around it. And now I have to make it fit by jigsawing it into itself, just like a puzzle piece. I have my first row, and now these are just going to fit right back in to the pieces. Now I have this one filled up. Here's a tessellation I did a while back on my own time, out of little bunnies. When you're going in to color, you want each piece to be colored in a different color. You can make a pattern, you can make it into an animal, a creature, whatever speaks to you, you're going to carefully color in your own tessellation pieces. So I might see a fish, I might see a little fox head. I can also just color random shapes and designs. So you want to make sure you're carefully coloring in your piece. You can use lines, straight lines, wavy lines, zigzags, shapes, polka dots. How will you decorate your shapes today? And now I have all of my tessellations colored in. I'm going to start working on this one. So you can color in abstract patterns, or you can make the shapes into something, like the little foxes, or fish, or bunny rabbits, or really whatever you see. So make sure that you color in each section of your tessellation a different color. Try not to use more than 2 colors. Have fun and happy arting!